Today, we're showing you how to properly pour concrete, not on a test slab, but on a real site in the heart of Santa Monica. This is an 8,000 square foot foundation, and for a job this size, we poured 25 full concrete trucks. That's over 200 cubic yards. Imagine a wave of stone and slurry, engineered to harden into something permanent. We've got the rebar in place, strong, clean, tensioned to carry weight for decades. Next, the concrete truck pulls up. Timing is everything, so we pour steady and smooth. We're using a boom pump to spread it evenly. No gaps, no cold joints. Once it's down, we hit it with the power screed for a level surface from edge to edge. Then we bull float the slab, locking in the cream, smoothing the face. Next, control joints, invisible lines that prevent future cracks before they start. And finally, curing. Keep it moist, let it rest. That's where real strength is born. This is more than a pour. It's craftsmanship at scale. It's precision. It's patience. It's trust built from the ground up. This is how it's done. The AVA Builders way. And if you want to see more real-world construction, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below.